All right, here we are, Sunday, 4/5, beginning of the week. Let's mark the close open where it stayed here around the 50 as we wait for our Asia session setup and prime window. So last week we ended with a high, but it completed the cycle and showed me that there's nothing left. So if we are moving north, I need to see a trap move first. And if we are moving short, I need to see a trap move up here somewhere. So I do see this little spike at the end. All right, so that is something I'm keeping an eye on. But as the week opens, it is forming this W under previous day low. So this blue tracer is yesterday's or Friday's low. This blue tracer is Thursday's low. So to me, that would be extended previous day's low. So this is in play here, and you see it went just below extended previous day low. So this right here tells me that we are probably looking for longs. Also, I see that we did have our pop out low here on Friday. And then since then, price moved down, but here in TDI, price stayed flat, okay? That tells me that we are closing higher, and one more confirmation for me that we are looking for longs. I see my W entry right here. However, we are early because we're not in our prime window. So according to 3x30, we are not ready to enter just yet, although I do see an entry long right here. But let's wait for the rest of the trap to play out. Another one there. Okay, trap high. Now don't be excited to enter just yet. Wait for it to come back. Now see how it went beyond this 50 channel and kind of just stayed right above it. Prime window is open. So anywhere in here, I can take my long entry. So if this were my W, this would be the safest entry right in here. And before I make my entry, I am going to mark here because this is my opening 50 channel. Not that we really need it because this 50 channel has held, but it helps me see that after this engagement with the 50, it did come down to make its trap move. So we have a bigger trap move, and then we have a smaller trap move. So I'm doubly confirmed here that this is a move north. So my entry, I'll go ahead and take it right in here. So had this been flipped around with this trap here, if all of this was up here, I might be considering a short. But at the open, all of this stays below the 50 and in between the extended, this line right here, extended previous day high low. And so this here is where they pushed it up to trap, hold it back, and I think they're going to continue on. Let's also double check GBP and DXY. All right, so here at GU, I am seeing how there is this little channel here and it's already started its move up. Okay, so it's already moving north as well. So I'm confirmed there. I have DXY that's flipped and it's also doing the same thing. So we have our channel down here. It's already making its move up, has pulled back. On this case, the 50 is this yellow line. So it pulled back to the 50 and is already continuing up. So we've already formed the channel, come above it, retested it from above, and we're still moving north. DXY, same thing. We already formed this channel here and we've already moved up and we're moving away from it, okay? So everything here is confirming for me that this is a long trade for the day. All right, let's see how this one plays out. And there we are, you are in profit. Okay, there we go. That was a pretty simple trade day. Also notice that this played around at a 4-hour pop out here. So it came right up to this 4-hour pop-up level and used it as resistance before breaking through and continuing on. All right, there you are. That is your perfect trade entry for Sunday, 4/5/26. Take a picture and save it to your trade log. Happy trading. See you tomorrow.